Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Abhyuday. After a long time?
No, ma'am.
Yes, you are attending my class after quite a
Ma'am,
long
after one day. After one day.
After one day.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is our history class. We have history, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So be prepared with you. I think yesterday we completed with everything in the class, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
And we have to.
Yes, ma'am.
We have to start with question answers today, right?
Good morning.
Good morning, Peter. We need to start with question answers today, right? Aryan?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. All prepared? Everyone ready? Who is this?
Ma'am, which subject?
Which subject? This is the
Yes,
most
ma'am.
boring subject, history, that you people don't like.
Oh, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. But what to do? Part of curriculum, we need to do it.
Yes, ma'am. But we have to study.
Yes, we have to. Because if we don't know of our history, how will we improve upon?
But, ma'am, why to improve our history?
Why to?
Ma'am, why to improve history?
Huh? Why do
Ma'am,
history?
why to? Ma'am, why to improve history?
Okay. See, the recent example, last year, the COVID symptoms which were there, they are not the same. If you were not aware of the history of this, how you would have, you know, taken care of yourself, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah, fine. So history is important
Yes,
because
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
it tells you about what had happened in the past. Plus, it also gives you an outlook to improve upon those mistakes that were done by the
But ma'am, I can't understand the reason why when we are studying history, we
uh,
are not able to study it. We had
see this chapter of nationalism in Europe. You tell me why, what was the reason keeping this chapter in, your curriculum? What would have been the reason? Tell.
no, ma'am.
Huh?
I'm saying that we feel sleep when we study history.
Because you people feel that history is a very boring subject. If you try to find out, uh, the basic reason behind reading history, then you people will never feel like that. This
But
is my
ma'am, where history
own in
works,
this thing observation. I have seen many students, those who don't have to, mug up the answers. They simply go through the content that is given and just understand. And then they write answers on their own. Like, of course, the fact things that are there, they write that only. But then they know how to frame an answer for a particular question that has been asked. It is all because of the observations plus the study plus the interest that you people have. Isn't it? Do you agree or not? Noman, you are so silent. Why?
Ma'am, I'm feeling sleepy.
Okay. This is such a good excuse. I can understand. Early in the morning, 7:30, when you don't have to go, when you don't have to board
Ma'am,
buses or vans, you are hardly like, it is 7:25 and mama is telling, please wake, get up, get up, get up, get up. You have a class, and you are sitting.
No, ma'am.
I
No,
am not
ma'am.
getting
No,
sleep.
ma'am.
No, I think this is the only thing that happens, most of the times.
Ma'am, no.
Really, Abhyuday?
Ma'am, after getting up. मैम मेरी नींद तो अपने आप 5 बजे खुल जाती है.
That's really good. That means you have been practicing this, no? Your parents must be.
मैम मैं सोया ही नहीं.
आप सोए
Yes.
नहीं, ये रात भर गेम खेल रहे थे.
नो मैम.
मैम मैं तो
पढ़ाई-
दोपहर में भी नहीं सोता हूँ.
अच्छा.
मैम नींद ही नहीं आती.
नींद
मैम
नहीं
मैं तो अभी सिर्फ 1 मिनट पहले उठी हूँ.
बेटा थोड़ी पढ़ाई करा करो, दिमाग की थोड़ी एक्सरसाइज करा करो, इसलिए नींद आएगी. फिर नहीं पढ़ोगे तो ऐसे ही होएगा.
दिन भर तो ऑनलाइन रहता है, कैसे आएगी नींद?
वही तो हम कह रहे हैं.
यस मैम.
वही तो हम कह रहे हैं. Few days back I read a quotation. If you want to sleep, don't close your eyes, close your internet.
Yes, ma'am.
And I completely agree to it. Because
Yes,
मैम
sir,
लेकिन
me too.
मैंने फोन नहीं चलाया.
लेकिन
मैंने फोन नहीं चलाया रात में.
फोन तो आप ऐसे भी चला सकते हो, आप नेट चला सकते हो.
Yes, ma'am.
चलो ठीक है. Jokes apart. This was just to refresh you. I understand बेटा, सुबह सुबह इतनी जल्दी जब आप उठ जाते हैं तो आप नहीं पढ़ पाते हैं. But see, because you are in class 10th, you don't know. Maybe you people are not as lucky as the previous 10th batch was. Right?
Yes, ma'am. मैम हमारा भी होना चाहिए ना मैम.
ने क्या बोला? Maybe you are not as lucky as they are.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So keeping that in mind, we should start our hard work, right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So can we have the cameras on? Or you all are sitting on your
No,
beds?
ma'am. We are in sleep.
Okay, RN Maurya, very smart, very good. Ayush, very good. Gaurav, very good, bache. And what about Ishika, Bhumika, Ajit?
Ma'am, we have just woke up.
Okay.
हमारे घर वाले बहुत बुरे हैं, तुरंत उठा देते हैं सुबह ही.
सुबह उठा देते हैं. नहीं बेटा, एक समय के बाद you will thank your parents. You will tell them thank they have given us this habit of getting up early in the morning.
मैम वो जानबूझ जल्द उठाते हैं ना मैम, जबरदस्ती. तो मैम हैबिट हुई है.
तो क्या हो गया बेटा, किसी बात कर दी आपने.
मैम नींद आती है.
कोई बात नहीं.
Yes.
नींद को बोलो इतना मत आया करो, रात में आया करो, सुबह चली जाया करो. ठीक है.
मैम रात को नहीं आती है, सुबह ही आती है ज्यादा.
Yes, ma'am.
वो एक्चुअली मैं बताऊं आपको, आपका जो स्क्रीन टाइम होता है ना, in front of mobiles or in front of laptops, whatever you people are using, like after your classes, whatever time you have, give your eyes some relaxation. है ना? See, once
Yes,
upon a
ma'am.
time, not now, but somewhere in 2014, when initially I purchased an Android phone, I also had the habit. I was going crazy for Facebook and other applications which were there. But then one fine day I realized that what is this? I am killing my time unnecessarily. And I tell this to everybody. Yes, Ajit.
Not use Instagram, Facebook, ma'am. Only WhatsApp for school only, ma'am.
But ठीक है, but then there you need to fix timings, no? When to go for your WhatsApp, when to go for Facebook, for Instagram. There are so many applications. See, there are lot many, distractions. You will find lot many distractions in this world, but then you need to focus on what exactly you are aiming for, what you want to achieve in life. Life comes once. What you want to achieve, you need to focus on that. We cannot give reasons कि अरे भाई ऑनलाइन क्लासेस होती थी तो माइंड बड़ा डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो जाता था. ये तो हमें अपने आप को कंट्रोल करना है ना. हम ये प्राणायाम योगासन ये क्यों करते हैं? जस्ट टू डेवलप those just to develop strong this thing, that yes, how can we control our senses, to control our senses. ये एक्सरसाइज वगैरह जो कहा जाता है, ये सब चीजें इसीलिए होती हैं. इनका मेन मोटिव सिर्फ ये होता है कि भाई आप अपने सेंसेस को कंट्रोल कर सके. ठीक है. That is why when you are in school, you are given so many ample of activities are given to you. उसमें yoga is also one of the activity. ठीक है.
Ma'am, I do yoga every day.
हाँ, that is good. That is
मैम ये
good.
सब करता है.
तो अच्छी बात है ना. You must learn from him then. अभी कार्तिकेय.
Good thing.
नहीं मैम, ये मैम बोलता है ना मैम, पता नहीं करता है नहीं करता है.
नहीं कर बेटा, जो इंसान जो चीज नहीं करता है वो बोलेगा कैसे
Sir,
कॉन्फिडेंटली?
आप मुझसे योगा सीखना चाहिए.
हाँ कार्तिकेय, यू कैन टेक ऑनलाइन क्लासेस. आजकल तो ऑनलाइन का जमाना है. जूम मीटिंग शेड्यूल करिए एंड गिव अ क्लास, टेक अ क्लास फ्रॉम हिम. वेयर इज द प्रॉब्लम?
मैम आइस को रिलैक्स देना है, आपने ही कहा है अभी.
आई नो. नहीं तो अरे बाबा, तो उसमें यू डोंट हैव टू स्टिक टू इट. नो, आप जो है उसको अपने जूम मीटिंग को, इफ यू हैव वो जो भी आते हैं आपके एलईडी एलसीडीज जो भी होते हैं.
Do you know what is Anulom Vilom? Do you know what is Kapalbhati?
These are
सर
very.
जानता ही हूँ भैया.
चलो ठीक है. अच्छा चलिए. ओके, let us stop this now.
Hello.
Fine, beta. We are supposed to do question answers for this chapter, but not in the first period, right? I think we have one more class today, last period, which is geography. So we'll do question answers there in that class, right?
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
तो मैम अभी ऐसी बात करनी है.
नहीं बेटा, we'll start with the new chapter of history.
Yes, ma'am.
New chapter of history. Can you tell me which is that chapter?
नेशनलिज्म इन इंडिया.
Yes, nationalism in India.
Yes, ma'am.
Exactly.
मैम बहुत बड़ा है वो भी.
Oh, बच्चे. So it is all about the future. It has to.
मैम कोई छोटा स्टार्ट करते हैं ना.
छोटा कोई है ही नहीं, सब इतने लेंदी है बेटा. 4 चैप्टर्स जो आ रहे हैं वो लेंदी होंगे ना, इस हिसाब से तो होंगे. चलिए.
Yes, ma'am.
Let us have this interactive session in the morning, so that you people are not feeling sleepy. So everyone has to participate in that.
Ma'am, can you tell the page number, please?
Hey Abhyuday, please wait. We'll not start reading right now. First I will discuss with you what you know about nationalism. Okay, we'll start with Noman. Noman, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
बताइए, what do you know about nationalism in India?
Just a second. National. Ma'am, don't know.
You don't know what is nationalism? Yes, Noman, do you know or not? Noman,
Yes, ma'am.
I am asking you, do you know what is nationalism, or you don't know what is nationalism?
Ma'am, I know, but I don't know how to explain.
Okay, whatever you know, you tell. Whatever you know, you tell. Right?
Ma'am, a group of like different people in countries and all.
Nationalism.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it is. You mean to say nationalism is group of people in a country?
No, yes, ma'am.
Okay. What else? So, what does this group does? What is the motive of this group?
To we.
Who?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay. Aryan, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, what do you know about nationalism? What is nationalism? Is it a substance? Is it a word? Is it a proverb, or is it a synonym? What exactly is nationalism?
Ma'am, our interest towards the nation also.
Okay. So for Aryan, it is nationalism is interest.
No, ma'am. I said no, man.
Okay, Noman is saying interest towards the nation.
Ma'am, a feeling of love and proud towards our country.
Okay. A feeling of
Love and pride.
and
Proud.
pride. Okay,
Proud.
right. Feeling of love and pride towards the nation.
Towards our country.
Okay,
Towards our country and nation.
towards country, one's country, right? Okay. What Bhumika
Ma'am.
feels about nationalism? Yes, Bhumika.
I feel nationalism was being used more when
Nas-
we
Beta, your voice is not clear. Bhumika, your voice is not clear. You come again. What you are saying?
When we colonized the British Raj.
Beta, you were not at all audible. Your voice was echoing a lot.
Yes.
May I say?
Huh. Yes, tell.
Ma'am, Indian independence movement and group of people which work for campaigning for Indian independence under the British rule, ma'am. That called nationalism.
एक मिनट अजीब दोबारा बोलो, थोड़ा जोर से बोलो बच्चे, और थोड़ा स्लो बोलो so that I can write it here. हाँ. What is nationalism?
Ma'am, a group of people and companion work for Indian independence movement under the British rule.
Okay, a group of people working for the independence of the country, right?
Yes, ma'am. In British rule.
For the independence of country. During British rule, right? पर एक बात सुनो ना, हमने तो बेटा ये पूछा ही नहीं है कि ब्रिटिश रूल और सब के बारे में हमने पूछा ही नहीं. आई एम सिंपली आस्किंग यू नेशनलिज्म क्या होता है, राष्ट्रीयता क्या. हाँ बताओ. एक मिनट. Wait. Bhumika has written, Indian nationalism developed as a concept during the Indian independence movement fought against the colonial British Raj. Exactly. Right. This we can consider that Indian nationalism, it was developed as a concept during the Indian independence movement fought against the colonial British Raj. So where did you get this from, Bhumika?
Wikipedia.
Wikipedia?
Yes.
Google Baba.
Yes.
Fine. हाँ, कोई भी बाबा, एटलीस्ट एक कॉन्सेप्ट हमें पता चल गया है ना. ठीक है.
Ma'am, so can I give one more point?
Yes, Abhyuday. Yes.
Ma'am, the desire of group of people who share the same race, culture, language, etc.
ये भी गूगल से ले आए मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. The desire of a group of people who share the same race, culture, language, etc. to form an independent country. See, this is more appropriate, right? Abhyuday, can you repeat?
Yes, ma'am.
The desire of.
Ma'am, a desire of a group of people who share the same race, culture, language, etc. to form an independent country.
ठीक है. Very good. A group of people who share the same
race, culture, language, etc.
race, language,
Culture,
culture, etc.
etc.
Right?
To
Okay.
form an independent country.
चलो हम इसको नहीं इंडिपेंडेंट कंट्री को छोड़ देते हैं हम पहले यहाँ पे देखते हैं.
Yes.
See how many of you feel that this definition goes with the concept with the term nationalism.
Ma'am, 4 peoples.
How many of you say just raise your hands there. I'll see. Okay, very good. Very good. So except for Ayush, everyone agrees to this, right? Ayush, why don't you agree to it?
मैम वो अभी नेटवर्क इशू हो गया था, सुनाई
अच्छा,
नहीं
कोई-
दिया.
Okay, fine. It's okay. Fine. So when we say nationalism, we are basically talking about the desire of a group of people who share the same race, language, culture, etc. Right? This is what is meant by nationalism.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Now, when we say Indian nationalism, then the definition that Bhumika has given, it will be the more appropriate one, right? But when I asked you what is nationalism, nationalism is basically a desire. It is a feeling, it is a desire where a group of people, they come together who share same culture, same race, same language. See in the previous chapter that we have finished, nationalism in Europe, people wanted to go for the concept of nation state, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, why they were so keen on nation state? Because they wanted that the countries, the places, the territories that were ruled by various rulers, that should be under one person, and where the rulers are not there, the kings are not there, the monarchs are not there. Rather, people should have the control of the government. They should be self-governing themselves, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Ishika, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So when we say nation state, it was basically it was a practice where nation is a place nation is a concept. Nation state was a concept where people desired to be part of one single unified territory where they only are the rulers controlling the administration of the country, right? This was the main force behind the concept of nation state in chapter 1 that we read.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, where did
Yes, ma'am.
where did these people of Europe got this idea from? How did they develop this idea of concept of nation state? From where?
French
French
Revolution.
Exactly. Yes. Ajit was saying something.
And revolution, I was saying. India also from that only, ma'am.
Exactly. See, when in France the revolution happened, and throughout Europe, France, gave an example. France had set an example where people wanted liberty, they wanted freedom, they wanted certain rights within the country for themselves so that they could, relate to the nation. They said that when you are living in a territory where you don't have any kind of right, where you don't have any liberty, where you don't have any freedom, what is the point of living over there? So they said, because it is our country, we are the people who have been, there in this part of the country. The rulers, they must have come quite late, but then these rulers, they cannot act as monarchs, they cannot act as dictators, they cannot direct us because they don't owe anything to us. They owe everything to us. We don't owe anything to them. They are ruling because we are allowing them to rule over us, right? Same thing. So when people revolted, many people of the other countries in Europe, they also took example of this and they started fighting for the same. We have read about unification of Germany. We have read about unification of Italy, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So when now talking about in India, this force of nationalism, India was of course a country where people belonging to the same race, language, culture, were there, but then different languages were also spoken over there, but then it was a unified territory, right? Now India also got inspiration from the European countries only, but the condition, the case was different. Here there were no rulers. The people, the fight that was against by the Indians was against the British rule. India was made a colony by the British, and they wanted to overthrow this British rule because they felt that being a colony was not the main fate of the Indians. They said that we have been, part of such glorious past. Our ancestors were so brave, they were so courageous. How can, anybody coming from outside rule over us for so long? Slowly, slowly, they realized that whatever the British were doing, it was only to exploit the Indian resources, the Indian
Materials from to British.
sources. Exactly. Whatever was easily available on the surface, on the earth over here, on the land in India, the geographical conditions, the climatic conditions, everything that was over here, they took a great advantage of that, and they wanted to continue with that, because with the raw material, with the resources that they were getting from here, they were utilizing those resources there in the European nations, right? They were becoming rich and rich, they were making their country prosperous by making our country poor. Our industries, our factories, our craft, this thing, artisans, everybody was, under their control. They were bound to work for the British. So this was something which people did not like, and when they got inspired by the various movements that were initiated by the different, freedom, the eras that we have. Like if you remember in class 8, you must have read about, the radicals, the moderates, Gandhian era. So these were all different, eras where different, people of different mindset, they came together. They set, people to go against the British government. But then ultimately, when Gandhiji came, he made people realize their, worth. They said that because we people, we have only allowed the British to rule over us. But if we fight against them, if we do not cooperate with them, if we do not, follow their laws, then ultimately what will happen? They have to leave the country, right? They will not be in a condition, they will not be in a position to rule over us. So this was the idea that was initiated by Gandhiji. Nobody thought of doing this. All those, like the moderates, the radicals, those who came, their motive was only to get governance, powers in the British governance. But
British governance.
yes, Bhumika,
I was saying British governance.
exactly. Their motive was only that they should get, more seats. They should get seats in the legislative assembly, where they can rule over they can, they can come to know about the British administration, how they are going with the things, and then ultimately they also get certain, position in the British administration. But Gandhiji had a different outset. He had a different outlook, because Gandhiji had, he was coming from South Africa, where, the same conditions were prevalent. South Africa was the colony of which country? Ajit, kiski beta?
Ma'am, USA British, ma'am.
No?
Africans.
South
Ma'am,
Africa.
but where black and white?
South Africa was a colony of.
Ma'am, can you please repeat the question?
My question is, South Africa was colony of which country?
Ma'am,
British.
Africa.
Africa.
Beta. South Africa.
No, ma'am, not.
हाँ, बताओ.
Europe. Europe.
ओफो, किस कंट्री का? जैसे इंडिया को कॉलोनी किसने बनाया था? ब्रिटेन ने बनाया था। इंडिया को कॉलोनी ब्रिटेन ने ही तो बनाया था बच्चे।
Yes, ma'am, it is
Britain.
तो साउथ अफ्रीका को किसने कॉलोनी बनाया था?
Ma'am, Zimbabwe.
British.
Ma'am, Zimbabwe.
Ma'am, British.
नो,
Cape
No,
Japan.
Ma'am, Zimbabwe.
no,
Anglo.
बताओ
बॉम्बे तो हुई नहीं सर.
बताओ बताओ.
Ma'am, the Dutch people.
The Dutch? No,
Dutch.
no, no.
Ma'am, Zimbabwe.
नहीं बच्चे, जिम्बाब्वे नहीं था. क्लास 9th में पढ़ाया है आप लोगों को. The fight
Ma'am,
of
Monarch.
the fight of the British of the South
Netherlands.
Africans were against the Americans, whites.
Oh, white.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
American whites, ma'am.
हाँ
Yes,
Ma'am, I have said
American
before,
white.
American white.
हाँ बेटा ब्रिटिश की कॉलोनी बहुत जगह पे थी वर्ल्ड में, बट साउथ अफ्रीका वाज अंडर द कंट्रोल ऑफ अमेरिकन्स. अमेरिका जो था, स्लेव ट्रेड जब उस टाइम पे जब स्लेव ट्रेड चल रहा था, फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन में हमने ट्रायंगुलर स्लेव ट्रेड के बारे में पढ़ा है. उस टाइम पे बहुत सारी कंट्रीज ने जो है, जितनी भी पुअर कंट्रीज थी जो कि रिसोर्सफुल थी, बट उनके पास जो है कोई ऐसा था नहीं who could take control of those resources. तो इन लोगों ने क्या करा, उनको कैप्चर करके उनको अपनी कॉलोनीज बना लिया, वहां से लेबर लिया, वहां से उनके रिसोर्सेज को यूज करा. ठीक है. तो अमेरिका वाज वन सच कंट्री जो कि अफ्रीकन कॉन्टिनेंट, साउथ अफ्रीका जो कंट्री है अफ्रीकन कॉन्टिनेंट का, उसको उन्होंने बहुत.
Ma'am, where is Zimbabwe?
आप बताओ कहाँ है जिम्बाब्वे?
Ma'am, अफ्रीका में.
जिम्बाब्वे आइलैंड कंट्री है कि क्या है, बताओ.
अरे yes ma'am, it is island country. Yes ma'am.
फिर
Sorry ma'am. Ma'am, Zimbabwe comes in which continent?
जिम्बाब्वे comes in, I think, Asian continent only.
Ma'am, let me check.
No, just check it. It is in Africa, African continent. ठीक है. अभ्युदय, चलिए इतना क्लियर हुआ आप लोगों
Yes,
को?
ma'am.
हाँ,
Yes,
इतना क्लियर
ma'am.
हुआ. ठीक है.
Yes,
Yes
ma'am.
तब इंडिया में जब
Yes ma'am, it is actually.
यूरोपियन कंट्रीज में इस तरीके का वही नेशन स्टेट का कॉन्सेप्ट आ गया, पीपल डिड अवे विद द मोनार्क, द रूल ऑफ मोनार्क्स या रूल्स ऑफ किंगडम्स. तो अल्टीमेटली इंडिया में भी इस चीज का जो दो इंडिया में काफी लेट आया ये, बट फिर भी पीपल रियलाइज दिस. और जब इन्होंने रियलाइज करा उस टाइम पे इंडियन नेशनलिज्म जो है बहुत ज्यादा तेजी से, जैसे एक फॉरेस्ट फायर होता है ना, एग्जैक्टली वैसे ही जब गांधी एरा आया, जब गांधी जी आए, उन्होंने जब ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट के अगेंस्ट जो उनके रूल्स थे, उनके लॉज थे, जब उनको वायलेट करना शुरू करा और उनसे बोलना शुरू करा कि भाई आप जो भी चीज कर रहे हो, देन व्हाट इज द मोटिव ऑफ दैट, कि भाई हमारी कंट्री है, हमारे रिसोर्सेज है, हमारे लोग हैं, सब कुछ हमारा है, हम आपको ये सब चीजें क्यों दें? ओनली बिकॉज वी आर योर कॉलोनीज और वी आर अंडर यू पीपल और वी आर स्लेव्स, दैट इज व्हाई. तो ये चीजें गांधी जी मेड पीपल रियलाइज कि भाई जो हो रहा है वो गलत है, और वो इसलिए हो रहा है बिकॉज वी सपोर्टेड देम, we allowed them to do everything with us, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hanji. Okay. So in this chapter we are going to read about that how nationalism, how our country became independent, and what were the various movements that were launched by the leaders, the freedom fighters, or the revolutionaries, or the freedom fighters, those who were there. Plus we are also going to read about the formation of, we all know that INC was formed for the freedom.
Fighter.
Yes.
Freedom.
For freedom.
Formed for attaining independence from the British control, right? Now how INC supported, what was the role of INC in all this, that we are going to read in this chapter. But in particular we are going to read about only and only exclusively about the Gandhian era, right? How Gandhi ji initiated various movements and how these movements helped Indians to attain independence from the British control, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Okay. So nationalism is clear to everyone. The desire of a group of
Yes,
people,
ma'am.
the same race, language, culture, etc. Fine. So this definition, which was told by Abhyuday, source may be anything, but ultimately it was given by Abhyuday, right? Very good. Chaliye, anything that you really need to know about this? More things about it?
No, ma'am.
Oh, ma'am.
Okay. We are also,
Ma'am, we are afraid of it.
huh? We are,
Ma'am, nothing.
array, say it.
Nothing, ma'am. Nothing.
ठीक है चलिए can you name some freedom fighters
Lal Bahadur Shastri.
okay okay
Bhagat
let
Singh.
me listen, let me be precise. Nationalist leaders, to be precise, revolutionaries. Who were revolutionaries, do you know? Who were revolutionaries?
Ma'am, forgot.
Huh? Nationalist
Ma'am,
leaders.
forgot.
Ma'am, they are the
Mahatma
people who
Gandhi.
fight for the revolution of the country.
See, these were the people who believed that, you know, nothing will come to us in a plate. We need to fight for that. We need to go. We need to fight for that. And for that, we should be ready to sacrifice our lives for the country. Right? Like Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad. These
Mangal
were,
Pandey, ma'am.
Mangal Pandey. Yes. These were all revolutionaries.
Ma'am, Raja Ram Mohan Roy.
Raja Ram Mohan Roy was a social reformer. He was not a revolutionary. He brought revolution
Oh,
in the social setup of the society that was there. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
okay, ma'am.
The
Yes, ma'am.
revolutionaries were different, but the motive of these revolutionaries, nationalist leaders, those who were there, was the same. But the way they wanted to achieve it, the way they wanted to attain it, that was completely different. The ways, the mode that they adopted was completely different. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Hanji.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. What do you know about moderates and radicals? Do you know anything about moderates and radicals?
No, ma'am.
Huh? No? Fine. In the next period, be ready with your books, your notebooks. We'll be doing the question answers, right? I think last period we have geography, right?
Okay, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
we'll be doing question answers over there.
Thank
Ma'am,
you,
question
ma'am.
answer of second
Thank you,
chapter.
ma'am.
Yes, beta, which chapter?
Ma'am, second chapter.
No. First chapter. Beta.
Third.
First chapter,
Okay, ma'am.
nationalism in Europe,
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Okay, ma'am.
Chalo.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, children. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, beta.
Thank you.